Morning, Coach. Mike
Morning.
could go up just a little.
Morning. Yeah, it does that by default. Okay, let's see.
Okay.
34. All right, there we go. All the things. We are a go go. Moderators, let me know everything. Thank you. I'll wait. Okay, while we're waiting, real quick, I want to thank my moderators. Thank you to Bruno Don Miranda, Unhappily Housewife, F2, David, Mark, Palm Coast, Richard, Doug, Buckle, Chris, Eminem, Ralph, James, and Diesel Dan. Thank you to all my military family, anybody that's serving or that has served. Thank you so much. We honor and respect you every single day. Thank you to all my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and all my truck drivers around the world.
YouTube's good, coach.
Okay, I got one. Where's the other one?
Beep, 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 beep. Wonk, wonk. Wonk, wonk. Wonk.
That one sounded like somebody tooted.
Wonk, wonk.
Did somebody toot back there while I was pulling my arm? Was that a toot arm pull? Burp.
Oh, no, I've been eating a lot of protein. I've been eating a lot of protein lately. So.
Okay.
I just want to say, Coach, and it wasn't for me, but Mark said that he tried to honk the horn with his Tesla, and it froze and didn't do it.
Oh, Richard, come on.
his
Bang,
Toyota
come on.
his
Richard,
Toyota
no, don't do
Tacoma horn was broke because it was made in China. So Mark last night jumped in the moderator's room randomly out of nowhere. He knows I'm like the only one with a Cybertruck in the entire company here, right? He jumps in and says, Cybertruck's going to be shutting down in 2026 off of some propaganda news he read, and he threw it in the moderator's room and then ran.
He did remind us. He did remind us to tell you that those Teslas are trash this morning. He said, somebody talk to
He said, don't buy the most American-made vehicle in America. Buy only Americans. I hear you. I hear you. Go blue, baby. Go blue. All right, everybody, we're here. Thank you. Listen, right now is your last chance ever to get in the workshop class right now. Go to American Dream Trading, click the only button you see. That's it. Oh, it's so hard. Go to American Dream Trading and click the only button you see on your screen. We will fill all 1,000 seats today. You will be there. Don't forget, regardless of membership, if you do not register, you do not get in the front door. Do you understand me? Are all of you in my Zoom class? Are all of you registered? If you are, say yes.
Yes. Yes, coach.
Yes, sir.
Yes. I'll go.
Yes.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Of course. Yes, sir.
Aye, aye, Captain.
Okay, all 8 of you are in, I guess. Good job. I see everybody's also typing in the Zoom. Everybody that's at work that can't open a mic. Okay, good. Registering now. Well, buzzer beater. Okay. I see you all. Yes, 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 yes. Everybody that is on all of the live Zooms. Are you all registered? If you are, type in the word yes on TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, Craigslist, OF, MySpace, all the things. Are you registered for our free class tonight? It is the very first Why? Oh my gosh. It is the first workshop class we've done for free. Moderators, look at the live stream. It says Futures Training with Doug. Why is that? Can you fix that? Moderators, anybody in the room?
If you're running it through Restream through OBS,
Nope, I'm not.
but you're going through OBS, right?
Correct.
Yeah, so it's using the RTMP from Restream.
No, it shouldn't. It should not be grabbing some defaults. I don't know why it's doing that. Okay, hold on.
And this was on TikTok, right?
It's on you. It's showing up on YouTube. Let me see if I can update the title. Let me replace the thumb. I'm doing it all now. Crop, update all. No. Here, I got it. Hold on. Almost done. And done.
CMCT.
J to the P T E Y.
CMCT is right.
Recording in progress.
Not 90210. Can anybody beat that? Huh?
CMCT.
CDMGP T to the E. Carry the 2.
LMNOP.
8675309.
Yes, thank you. BINGO. Okay. All right. Everybody's like, what the hell's going on? Listen, if you guys were able to decipher the code, we were going to give you a free American Dream Trading Journal. Okay. If you missed it, if you needed to know and you missed it, this is all you need to know for today.
And according to my data research, 3 times resistance on a 1 hour trend or 1 hour and 20-minute trend on a 3-time trend hitting on at 145 gives it a resistance value of a positive.
Oh boy. All right. Did you guys catch all that?
Research 3 times resistance.
You did? Okay. All right. That's good. I'm glad you guys caught it all. Real quick, while I'm thinking about it, did everybody Diamond, Futures VIP Gold? Did you guys all notice that I have updated the Tradeify journey that I have been taking you all with to show you how to trade live with a prop firm account, how I have made over $6,000 well, now it's way over that. Over $2,000 every single day in that account. Have you guys watched the journey? Yes. Hello. Today I made $3,180 in profits in 10 minutes of work. Did you guys? Is everybody tuning into that? By the way, I'm getting like no responses out of it. I'm getting like 1 fire, a thumbs up. Is it worth it for me to show you guys how to do that, how to make millions of dollars live in front of you, or no? Should I stop the $1 million process of how to make millions off of a prop firm account using discount code ADT, results not guaranteed? Should I stop doing that? Is anybody watching it?
Teach us, coach. Teach us.
No, I'm really enjoying it, coach.
Okay.
We're watching, coach.
Okay, thank you. Because I posted it today. There's 1 fire. Let me see. It was from my own moderator. Doug is the only person that clicked the button that says it's fire.
I think I clicked the fire too now. Come on.
There's 1 fire in there today. 1. Listen.
No, I love watching the copy part of it. It's really cool.
Listen, gang, we need more engagement. Wake up. You guys, hi. Oh, there's 2 fires and a thumbs up. Doug and Wolf. Thumbs up by Wolf. That's 2 people now. that appreciate all the work that I'm doing for it. That's nice. Anyways, if you guys are looking at using a prop firm, we are partnered with Tradeify. If you guys look up top, ding, use the discount code ADT for the best deals. I will continue to take you guys on my journey. Those are 150K Lightning accounts that I am copy trading the other day in our futures area. If you are a futures and or diamond member, you got training on how to do all of that. I showed you and walked you through exactly how to purchase them, where to go, how to trade them live, how to set up all of your risk management inside of the system, traded it live in front of your face, and how to show you all the journaling and everything that goes in between. I did that 2 days ago. Great. That's great. Speaking of diamond membership, this is your last chance. All diamond memberships are gone. No more diamond memberships. Are you guys excited about that? They are gone as of next Saturday, excuse me. January 31st. You will never be able to buy a diamond membership here again. They are gone. How many of you are diamond members inside of the room? There's 228 people. There will be over 350 people in here by 9:30. How many of you out of the 230 open up your microphones are a diamond member? Say diamond.
Yeah, diamond.
Since day one.
Diamond.
Finally, I am
I'm a
diamond.
diamond in the rough.
Diamond.
Thank you.
boy.
Thank you. You guys like how I try to wake you up?
Diamond.
Thank you. You guys like how I try to wake you up? You guys are all like, Diamond coach. I've only on a half a cup of coffee here, brother. I'm only halfway in. Take it easy. So make sure you guys scoop up those memberships. Those will be gone, like I said. And also, in case I have not mentioned it, I think I said it one other time, listen to the sound of my voice. All diamond members will have access to American Dream Trading Academy, which is, we're trying to figure out pricing, but that's going to be between $2,000 and $3,000 per year. You will have access to it. I know.
Thank you, Coach.
Yeah, oh, there it is. You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Shining like a diamond.
You're welcome. That's right. Diamond memberships has its privileges, so you guys will get access to that. Tonight's going to be exciting. We're going to do a lot of giveaways, so make sure you tune in 4 o'clock Eastern for the workshop. We are very excited. It's how to start your day trading journey. We're going to walk you through everything that we can get you set up for. So if anybody in here is interested in day trading, this is a perfect example of how to do it for free. And you can see what we do every single day. By the way, just so you know, one of our members yesterday posted at the end of the day. Oh, he made a little bit more than I thought. At the end of the day, off of his day trading journey, being here for 3 years, yesterday he made $634,648.10. That was yesterday. Right? Obviously, results not guaranteed. He started with a $700 account. That has to be 20 million now, by the way. I think he's at $20 million in a year and maybe a month. A year and a month. Listen to the sound of my voice, because I'm sure this is probably another world record. I think we've broken 3 so far. I think we've broken 3 world records as far as I know in the last 3.5 years that I've been doing this for everybody. I think $700 to $20 million, that has to be a world record in a little over a year for a retail trader. Am I right? Anybody ever heard of that before? $700 to $20 million. Can anybody do the math? What percentage that is? Anybody?
I dropped 2 egg rolls hearing that number.
How long is the class? It'll be anywhere between an hour or two. I have no idea. If we'll see. Does anybody have the percentage?
How
Where
do we get the link for the workshop later on?
the link for the workshop? Go to the website, American Dream Trading. Click the only button you see. If you are already a member inside of Discord, click on the free workshop class channel that is below the sub channel of American Dream Trading, right next to the help desk support.
Yeah, but
She's
once
already-
we
she's
subscribe,
already-
how do we get the link for the Zoom?
She's already registered.
Oh, she's wanting to know.
already
We're
registered.
going to post the link inside of that free workshop class channel, I would assume. That way the people that subscribed are
Okay.
the only ones that can see it. Yep.
A few people asked that question in chat.
Oh,
that's why I'm
perfect.
asking.
Okay. Yep. And Bruno will
I
be
already answered. And
posting
I
it.
already answered. Yep,
Alright.
I already answered. And
Okay.
as we've been doing all week. Yep.
Okay. And Bruno will be posting it all over today with the everyone tag so everybody knows how to get access to it. Okay.
That is correct.
All right.
I'm
Perfect.
gonna try to make it. We'll see.
Okay. Great. We will wait for you. Okay. We won't even start till you show up.
I'll stop the whole production.
whole
just for you,
thing.
man. I will shut it down and I will delay it. And if it's at 7 o'clock at night, we'll
Yep,
wait
we'll
until you
shut it all down.
Oh
If
my
we have to
gosh.
postpone it until you're back from whatever vacation this time you're on, we'll do it then.
If you want, start a cruise now and come
Yep.
back, and
Oh,
we'll
I
still
have
be
a
ready.
doctor.
We'll
Yep,
wait
start
right
your
there,
cruise
it's
now,
alright.
Nana, so that then when you get back, we can run the class, okay? All right,
It's,
great.
it's okay. It's just
Okay,
I'm
great.
gonna
Okay,
try to make
great.
it.
We're yep, okay.
Rub your face.
That'll
Rub
be
your
great.
face.
Oh, here we go. David just posted. Thank you, David, over on TikTok. Maybe. Okay. Does anybody know for sure? David thinks that that percentage of gain is 28,751% gain from $700 to $20 million. The largest retail ever that I'm aware of in recorded history in a little over a year. And I believe it's a world record for a retail trader here at American Dream Trading. I think that's the percentage. Can anybody verify that percentage for me?
They already did in the Zoom chat.
Is it verified? I can't see it. Anybody?
2.8
million%.
Oh, why? Oh my. Oh, what the what? No, what? Okay. Is that real? Is that
My calculator just came up with oogles and googles of money.
just a bunch of E's because it's it's too long?
I got an error. I got an error on my calculator.
Right? Oh my gosh. Okay. So somebody just keyed it in. It must be Chat GPT. Okay. That return is 2.8 million% in a year.
Turn your calculator sideways.
Is that right? 2.8 million% return. I'm telling you right now, it has to be a world record. Am I right? I've never heard of anybody doing that before. $700 to $20 million. I think that is now our fifth. That is our fifth or sixth person so far. 5 for sure, but I think sixth. Listen, we have 16 brand new millionaires in here. I believe 5, possibly 6 now have made over $20 million since joining American Dream Trading. By the way, has anybody ever heard of numbers like that before? I haven't. I've been doing this for 34 years. I know every largest retail trader that's ever been known in existence. Has anybody ever heard of that before? Is that a yes or a no?
Coach, I worked for an institution and I haven't heard that percentage.
Right. It's
And that institution was in Spain.
yeah, it's awesome. It's absolutely amazing. So congratulations to American Dream Trading, our community members. So again, now when I'm telling you guys that we've done hundreds of millions in profits, not verified, no brokerage statements. Now the 5 people that I know, I've seen all their screenshots and all the stuff, and I see the things coming in. One of our members, I think, is closing in on 100 million by himself. which is ridiculous. One of the richest people on earth from American Dream Trading, which is just bizarro land. But so when you guys hear me throw out those really large numbers, it's not hard to get to, right? If 5 or 4 people, well, 5 or 6 are at 20 million, we're already at 100 million in profits. You guys realize that, right? So when you're like, there's no way. 5 people have already done it. That's 100 million. And I haven't even gotten to the other 24,000 members that are here, right? Do you understand? Okay, great. Well, that's good. So if you want to join our workshop class tonight, and we will start your journey on exactly how those people were trained by me today, show up at 4 p.m. Eastern. Obviously, results not guaranteed and all the things. And people are asking, like, what did they trade? Some of them were stocks. Some of them were options. And the last one here is futures. So the 700 to 20 million was futures. Everybody else was stocks and options. Okay. Okay, great. So congratulations again, American Dream Trading, on being the most successful stock market trading community the world has ever seen before, as far as I know. I've only know some of the big dogs. I have 5 people that have made more than anybody else as far as a retail trader has ever made in their lives. And they were all produced here, and none of them were day traders before. You guys do understand that, right? Not a single person out of that list was a day trader before here. You do know this, right?
One did trade pigs, didn't he?
Yes. Yeah, he was a pig farmer. Yeah. So I'm telling you, gang, we're doing things that have never been heard of before. Go ahead.
Didn't our first 2 million do it with just stocks?
Yes.
And that was the first 2 or 3, actually.
Correct. That's why I said it's stocks, options, and futures.
And they went to options.
Yeah, the only millionaire that we have not created yet is out of crypto. Yep. So one of these days, we'll be able to say that too, right? But so far, stocks, options, and futures. So we're working on it, gang. It's only been 3.5 years, right? We've had, let's see, at least 250 people have retired so far fully from their jobs. We had another one last week that announced it live for us, which I love, by the way. And listen, I stopped counting the 250 almost 2 years ago. So let's think about that for a minute, right? And we just keep cranking the machine. So again, thank you all. We do, Bruno, our commissions are working. Everything is good to go. People can now refer other people. You guys will get 10% forever. So if they sign up for one of our memberships, you all, whoever they used your link with, will get 10% of that forever. Guess what? They buy a $2,500 a year plan. You get 10% every time that renews. You do understand that, everybody in the room? Okay, great. And Bruno, that's all set up. It's running. All they need to do is click on the what to get more information about that. Go ahead.
So if they go to wap.com, log in with the valid email that has your memberships, click on the affiliates ticket tab on the left-hand side, go to refer a buyer. Click on American Dream Trading View Assets. Inside, if you go over to page 2, there's going to be a company link that will cover as an umbrella, and that's probably the safest bet to do, is use the company link for the umbrella. If you see something, if they want, say, a diamond, you can click the diamond link and just send that over to them. But if you're not sure what they want to sign up for, use the company link on page 2 of refer buyers under affiliates. Thank you.
Great. And we have all of that video and how to, and if not, we'll have it set up in the channel that is labeled
It's going to be affiliates under Discord.
Affiliate program, right?
Correct. Yeah.
There you go. So go to affiliate program under new members start here, and you guys get set up. Has anybody, I know we only got 3 minutes, but has anybody in here made any money off of referring people? And how much? And
A lot, Coach. I think I paid for like more than half my diamond a while back. Diamond lifetime.
Oh,
by
nice.
referral.
Yeah, I've seen a
Yeah,
lot of yours
thank
come
you.
through, Mitchell. I've seen a ton of yours come through. Thank you. Anyways,
Thank you, Coach.
yeah, absolutely. Just so you guys know, the system shows about $240,000 in affiliates, but I think it's actually like 55,000 because there was some weird thing on the background. But I think we've paid over $55,000 so far in affiliates for you guys just saying, hey, here's my link. Give me my money, right? So do the things, click the buttons. Appreciate you. Oh, right there, Jay Hearn just said, I have over 250. Thank you. You're very welcome. All right, I think we're all done. We've got all the stuff. Remember, nobody go rogue today. Make sure you guys follow all the rules. Don't lose more than 1 to 3% of your total account value in any given day. Make sure you guys are paper trading. Do not use real money while you are in training. Make sure you have your stop losses on each and every trade. If you have 2 red trading days in a row, go ahead and take the next 30 days off. I don't want you blowing up your accounts. Make sure you guys start with stocks before futures, options, and crypto. It's much easier to follow along with. Right? I want you guys to only be looking at 1 to possibly up to 5 different stocks. Speaking of 1 to 5, you guys should not be making more than 1 to 5 trades per day, just so you guys get in. Make sure you guys understand the mechanics, what it is, how it works. Listen, everything we do is about risk management here. Once you become a successful and an amazing stock market trader, the money will literally pour in. It will not trickle in anymore. Once you become a good stock market trader, the floodgates will, I got it. The floodgates will open, right? But you must first become a good stock market trader, all right? So don't be coming in with the ideas of grandeur. Well, I'm going to be the next millionaire. Blow up your account 15 times. Oh, I guess it's not for me. It's all about risk management. Small position size. Small position size. Stop losses. Put them in at the time of purchase. Between 9:30 and 10, you're going to hear a lot of call-outs. We are not a call-out group, but in the first 30 minutes is the busiest time of day, so you will be hearing those call-outs. After that, then we go into full-blown training session. We are here every single day. I know the bell's ringing right now. 3 times a day. I'm here every day from 9 to 11, Mark from 2 to 4, and Dawn from 4 to 6. Here we go. Let's rock and roll. Remember, if it runs up in the pre-market, watch for it to pull at the open. Great. I will be trading a live account in front of your face like I always do. If you guys see any runners, I want to hear them. If it's a 2-minute EWO, try to catch it on the first indicator if possible. If we got any hot stock pick runners, I want to hear hot stock pick symbol is doing what. If we break any pre-market setup levels, I want to know about them. Lot of energy. Let's go.
NVIDIA's on its first 2 minute above pre-market.
Which one, Mark? Is really hard to hear you.
NVIDIA, new high a day.
Thank you. Thank you. NVIDIA, new high a day, broke through pre-market setup levels to the upside. Thank you.
First red on the cues.
Thank you. Why is this not showing up?
SPY is trying to break 680 to the upside.
Thank you. I see it. Apple, 2-minute EWO to the upside. Apple, 2-minute EWO to the upside. Just be careful. Apple's had a tendency to pop and then pull back at the open. Pre-market high on Apple is $250.60. Thank you. I don't know why this is not showing up correctly on my system. Why is it doing that? Not making any sense. Are the margins off for futures, anybody? For you with Weeble? Well, this one's okay. NQ is okay.
Yes, coach, I've had problems with MES.
Oh, there it goes. It reset. Okay, there it goes. Yeah, I was like, what the frick? It wasn't right. Okay, now it's right. Okay, we're all right. We're good now. Okay. SPY breaking above that 690 pre-market high critical level that we were looking for. In case you didn't know, SPY has fully 100% recovered off of where everybody said the market is crashing and we're all doomed, as fully now 100% recovered. Yay, congrats.
Yesterday was a wild ride on SPY.
Yes, it
all
was.
The way down, all the way up.
Yeah, it was amazing. Soon as positive news came out, everybody made millions of dollars. It was glorious.
IWM has broken all-time high with over 270.
Well, that can't be right. That can't be right. 2 days ago, they said the market was going to crash and this is the end of the universe. How could that possibly be that the Russell is all-time highs forever in the history of the stock market?
I don't know, Coach. I don't get it.
They didn't shake that
I
belt.
know what it is. They need to come over here and get educated. Maybe that's what's going on.
It's crazy. I know there to be only one place where I would get all my news, and it sure the frick wouldn't be the little kids in a suit on TV that have no experience at all in the financial market.
Me too. It's American dream trading, baby.
Thank you. Appreciate you. Love your face. Make sure you guys scoop up something for the kids when you head on over to the merch store and get yourself a hat. Go set yourself up with something real nice. Thank you. Looking to see if SPY is going to hold above this 690 or not. Stop need to be below the 21. Looks like it's not going to hold. We'll see.
Yeah, Tesla is pulling its new low day.
Thank you. By the way, Tesla just released the Cybertruck to help me out. Two, I think one was Korea and the other was, help me out.
The Middle East.
Was it? There's hold on. I posted it this morning and now I can't remember. South Korea was yesterday.
Dubai, UAE.
Oh, yep, that's it. Yep, Saudi Arabia, UAE, Qatar, and South Korea yesterday. Brand new release launches for the Cybertruck. Woo! That's exciting.
EVs in the Middle
Big
East. I feel
pullback
like I'm
on
taking
NVIDIA
crazy
new
pills.
low day.
Thank you. Sorry, go ahead. You were saying something, partner?
I was saying EVs in the Middle East. I feel like I'm taking crazy pills.
Yes. It's going to be amazing. We've been trying to tap into that market for those. It's huge. And now that the Ford F-150 Lightning is going to just sit and collect rust, that's exciting. At least till they come out with a hybrid model, which absolutely defeats all purposes of an EV, but whatever. Okay, here we go. Let's have a mechanical, combustible, and electronic. Yeah, okay, because that worked out so well for the Volt that I owned back in 2011 and 12, being one of the first EV owners on planet Earth. Did you guys know that I was one of the first EV owners on Earth? I bet you didn't know that. Okay, great. All right, let's see if we're going to get a continuation here. Down to the 689.50 is what I'm looking for. 689.50 on SPY. Are we going to get there? Slowly but surely, maybe. Thinking about it, possibly. Turtling up. Still thinking about it. Apple 2-minute EWO still to the upside. Apple 2-minute EWO still to the upside. It pulled at the open. And now you guys can see that it's sitting on VWAP. Has not made a decision yet, but it also has not broke VWAP to the downside, right? So that is still a go, go, go to the upside. If you wanted to be a little more cautious, wait for the break of 250 and 60 cents. Does everybody see that? Wait for that break and hold a new high a day if you're not in that yet. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Good job. Good job. Yeah, you're right, Derek. I don't understand that. It's just makes no sense. There's like 30,000 moving parts with the combustible regular engines versus like 400 or something ridiculous with EVs, right? It's crazy.
NVIDIA 2 minutes to the downside.
Thank you. So NVIDIA hit high and then low. Nice. Yeah, NVIDIA hit all-time high over there for, well, market high at 186. And then supernovaed back, right? Pulled way back. SPY retesting these highs again. Double top area 690.36. Does anybody see anything going on out there? Let me know. I want to hear you. Open your microphones. Energy all day. I want to hear everybody talking in here all day long.
Up 2%. Thanks,
IWM.
Coach.
Thank you. Up 2%.
IWM continuing up.
Thank you. IWM continuing to ride to the upside. Thank you.
Open on a 2-minute EWO.
Thank
Open.
you. Thank you. Open. O-P. Is it O-P-E-N? Thank you.
I see rain in Alabama, Coach.
Okay. Thank you. You seen rain in Alabama? Was that the call out? Did that happen or was that me?
The hand is in the handheld.
Yes, sir. It's raining in Alabama.
Oh, okay.
Big time.
Okay. Thank you. That'll help us. Appreciate you. Thank you very little.
What is happening?
I don't know. They're like, you wanted to hear us, Coach, so you're going to hear us. Okay.
Right.
Okay.
Right.
I feel you. Getting a nice little move here on SPY, breaking through that double top. Typically, I would short that double top area, but the fact that it came back so fast is why I actually longed it. Make a quick hundo.
Meta's breaking 635 key resistance.
Thank you.
Picked up calls at 600
Oh, nice.
yesterday.
SPY still continuing to climb. New high over here. SPY looking glorious. By the way, SPY, let me look. Aren't we like $7 away from record high for SPY? Let me see. 52-week high is 696. We're at 690. We'll be 691 here in a second. Yeah, we're $5 away, by the way, from SPX being the highest it's ever been in the history of the stock market. So, you guys remember me the other day telling you what amazing sale prices we had on that pullback when the whole world's like, I don't know what's going on. Blah, 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 blah. Right? Good job. Good job. Good job. Nice work. Yeah, we're almost back. All the way. 100%. Highest ever. That's great. Let the good times roll. That's nice. All right, SPY still trying to bounce around here. Yeah, no rain here yet. I know there's supposed to be some ridiculous, crazy storm coming in or something. We'll see. Everybody be safe. We'll have to all gather together and make sure that we can get Mark. Mark's basically lives in the Uper. We're gonna have to send more Steerling to get Mark out of there. He's gonna be snowed in. Safe travels, Utah Trader, if you can hear me. Appreciate you.
I can. Thank you.
Oh, awesome. Thank you, man. Be safe out there. Here,
Thank you. Much appreciate you, my
here,
friend.
take a little Jesus with you right here. Let Jesus take the wheel. There you go. Okay, I got a mini Jesus to take the wheel for you.
You got it. I'm sitting on a plane watching. I'll take that.
That's awesome.
Thank you, my friend. All the best to you and good luck today.
Yeah, thank you. All right, Spy. Pulling back. Now, another key. Whoa! Okay, there we go.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, that's nice. That looks like a news event.
From the top.
Oh, gosh, nice. Palm. Palm, you heard him when that bled. I was like, yeah! Woo! That looked like a news cell right there, didn't it? Wow.
It looks like everything dumped.
That was awesome. That was amazing.
I like it.
Yes. Now I want to see if there's more. I'm going to watch and see if we're going to get this bounce off this 200 or not. It's funny. I was just going to say, man, we need to watch the 689.50 and it just knife drop. Watching to see if we're going to get bounce off this 200 here off the 1 minute. If it doesn't, I'm going to short it below that. Not financial tax or investment advice. Come on, that was a nasty candle. I'm just looking to see if it's going to retrace, right? Retrace from the 200 back to the 9. That's the only thing I'm sitting on waiting right here, right?
How about calls at the bottom?
Oh, nice. Just make sure, Blake, you stay above that 200. Okay, partner? Thank you. Appreciate you. I want to see this bleed more. I would like to see SPY come back $4. Hit close the day yesterday. Blake's like, no, we want it to go up. Blake, just as long as it stays above the 200, right? That's what you're looking for.
Yep, just made another %.
Nice job. I'm just waiting. I'm not making any moves here, gang, right? I'm going to be patient. We will show you how to do all of this stuff tonight. The free workshop class, 4 o'clock. Make sure you sign up, American Dream Trading. Click the only button you see on your screen. Click. Ding. Limited seats available. Go ahead.
Sorry, met a new high.
Okay, thank you. Heavy candle here. I don't want to jump in this, though. A little more. Give me a little more. Come on. Oh, I wish this candle would have started lower on that one, but all right, a minute. See if it's got more. As long as it stays below the 200, right, gang? Nicey nice. Nice, I'll take half. Nice. Take 2 more off. 3 left. 2 more off. 1 left. I'll add on that break. No risk in the game at all anymore. Yep, this is the bounce. This is why I didn't want to be all crazy right here, right? On the 688.70 is the mark I've got. I've only got one. This is why we scalp the way we do, right, ladies and gentlemen? Okay, great. That's nice. Nice. Come on. Yep, I'd like to add. Adding. 5 now. We want to stay below 688.70. Nice, nice. Keep it going. Taking 3, still have 2. By the way, I'm doing this on a super tiny account, but it doesn't matter. I'm showing you guys how to day trade regardless of account size, right? Okay, great. Good job. There we go. Payday. Beautiful. Beautiful. Who's making money off this?
Me.
Thank you.
I got a little dab on it.
Thank you. It's glorious. Nice and nice. That is glorious. Let me look left, see what we're running up against. Oh, yeah. Wow. Oh, yeah. That's nice. That's real nice. Still holding 2. Looking to add. Waiting on this candle right here. If it makes new low, I'll add. It must break the wick of the previous candle, and then I'll add to it. There it is. I'm in it. Added more. Now holding 4. Beautiful. Nice. I like it. I'll take 2 off. Holding 2. Take 1 more off. And the last one, and I'm out. Thank you.
Very nice.
My girl wants to party all the time, party all the time, party all the time.
Now you hit that.
Come on, baby.
That was your girl. I would want to too, coach.
Yeah, thank you. I appreciate you.
Yeah, you dug that one out of the archives.
Yeah, I know I did. Felt right, though. I can tell you that. Felt clean.
And I said 2-2 and nobody laughed.
The 2-2. Thank you, Trent. We appreciate you. You're just a ball of laughs. There you go. Thank you. Appreciate you. Did anybody make any good money off that trade? Is anybody still in that trade?
Oh, hell yes.
Thank you. Did you guys see, though, how I was just showing you how you can manipulate the trade, buying and selling off of the same setup, right?
Yes.
Oh, nice.
Coach, I'm in NVIDIA and still holding and nervous. What do you think of NVIDIA right now?
Well, I can't give you financial
To the
tax or
downside.
investment advice, but if I were you, right, you need to sit down if you're shorting it below 184.50, right? That's the main level. So I don't know if you're shorting or longing. I assume
Yes,
you're
I am
shorting.
shorting.
Yeah, I assume you're shorting because you're below VWAP. You can use that 9, right? I don't know when you got into it, but... So everybody see why I took that money there on SPY as soon as that started to stall out, yes?
Yes, and you were right on a good gold level. This is 87.90.
Thank you. Appreciate you, Charles. I see you just signed up for the free workshop class. Same with you, Raul and Brad. I see you. Mark, I see you. Clark, I see you. Mark and Clark. Clark Bar. Steven, I see you.
You're amazing, Coach. I can't wait to learn more.
Oh, thank you, man. I appreciate you. Checks in the mail.
Thank you.
Had a kid in my class named Mark Clark.
Oh, wow. Nice lesson, Coach, says Tap TX. Thank you. I appreciate you. So I'm saying, right, it's not always all in, all out on the trades, right? You can add in, you can take away, you can manage the trade the whole time, right? Now, when we get to key critical areas, one of the things that I always like to do, of course, is take that 60 to 90%. So I take the majority of the weight off and I lock in said profits. That's the name of the game. We're getting in, getting green, and getting out, kind of. We want to allow the runners to run. Just really depends on your risk tolerance, what you want to do, and how you want to manage the trade, right? If you have your mechanics dialed in, obviously you can do some more things like I'm doing. If not, right, stick to the 2-minute EWO, use the shedding technique, and or if you guys are going to start scalping, just going with really small positions. This will allow you to get rid of that whole freaking out part and oh my gosh, and right? So small positions. Small positions is everything, right? Okay, great.
Yep, that's how it changed my trading is small positions, scalping.
Yep. As soon as you go small, I'm telling you, because then you can hold on to them when you're supposed to. You can open up those.
Gives you the peace of mind to let the trade work.
Yeah, you can open up your stops a little bit more, right? So it's not stopped out, right? You can control the whole thing by position sizes. I'm telling you, it's everything.
I was sitting at a breakfast yesterday with a bunch of guys talking about this and explaining that I trade SPY only 2 to 4 contracts. I'm up 71% since November 1st. They're finance guys. They were like, "We don't understand how you're doing that." I was like, "Come join us, man."
That's my favorite. We don't understand. Of course you don't. You're finance guy. You're finance bros.
Yeah.
Finance bros don't have a clue on how to make money like this. Sorry, gang. They'll talk a big game.
Yeah.
Talk a big game, but have no idea, right?
Yeah, they were talking about the market trends and this year and next year. I was like, I just care what's happening this minute.
Yeah, I'm just going to make my money today. You guys can knock yourselves out, right? Because think about it. Your long-term investments are just going to work. I don't care what the market does over time, right? Historically, it goes up. So I don't care about right now for that. Yeah, market bros.
And for anyone listening, I was sitting there explaining options trading to these guys.
Yeah.
And 2 years ago, I didn't know you can make money going down. I was like, how are people making money? I didn't know anything about it. So I'm just telling all the new people listening, I'm not making millions yet, but I will. And set 2 to 3% a day is amazing for my lifestyle.
Oh, it's huge.
On a $5,000 account. I don't care. I'm paying bills.
Yep. Here's what's cool about that, right? Here's what's cool about that. Oh, hold on. I got to do this the old-fashioned way. Let me take some off of this. Just made another $100. Let me take 3. Left with 2. Managing the trade. Did you guys see me short that off the 9, by the way, in case anybody, while we were sitting here and I was making money while Blake and I were having a conversation?
Beautiful.
Yeah, you're getting pretty good at that multitasking, huh?
Uh-huh. Right here, taking one more, one left. Why? Critical area. I can add if it breaks. Otherwise, I've made my money with no more risk. Yeah, it's funny. And Blake, what I was going to say is think about it. 3%, gang. The only difference is account size. Now imagine if you had $1 million account and you made 3%, right?
Yep.
It's just percentages. It's just percentages. So the better you get, eventually the more you'll make. Results obviously not guaranteed. I can't guarantee future results based on current situations. But if you become a good stock market trader, The money will come. Cannot stress that enough. Right here, I'm looking to add if it can break through this bottom area down here. Otherwise, I'm still holding 1 for a gain. If you guys want to learn how to do this, how I have helped other people make hundreds of millions of dollars, trained over 1 million people, have over 24,000 members here at American Dream Trading, have 5 people now made over $20 million and created 16 new millionaires. Join me tonight, 4 o'clock Eastern. Thank you. Go to American Dream Trading, click the only button you see. Go ahead.
Looking at that double bottom too.
Yeah, absolutely. I'm still holding 1, and because it's so far away from me, I can allow it to bleed. There we go. Adding.
687 is a gold line.
687. Okay, thank you, partner. Nice. Taking off 2.
I'm still holding NVIDIA.
Oh, I got to close this. It did a weird market order. Did you guys see how my market order caused it to be below what I actually paid for it? So I just dumped it. Sometimes it'll do that. Did you guys catch that? You catch it on the replay. Wasn't that weird? You can't tell me a dollar cost average in made it lower than the price that it's currently at with me having it in a good spot. So, oh well. And I'm out of the trade, right? More money made. Is anybody making any money today? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Great.
Yeah,
I am, sir.
So go ahead.
Oh, PCE numbers are coming out, right? At 10 o'clock, Mark just said?
Yes, correct.
Thank you.
Bunch.
Yes,
Thank you, Mark. Appreciate
And just
you.
before they come out, I want to add that there is one thing Coach can guarantee, and that if you invest in yourself, join us, he will show you how you can make money going up, down, or sideways.
Correct, Amundo. Thank you very much. Yep, I cannot guarantee you will make money, but I can guarantee I'll show you how you could make money, right? The earning potentials are there.
100%.
15 seconds. 15 seconds, everybody in the room, okay? There's going to be a big news event. We'll see. PCE numbers. Not massive news events, not like Congress or, whatever, or FOMC, but it's big enough that it should move the market. We'll see. There it goes. Volume coming in.
That was beautiful.
See what it's going to do. I got a little dabble do you in there. I didn't know what the news was going to do, and I got stopped out, but I thought I'd just throw a lotto in there. Obviously, my stop wasn't big enough off of the news because I did try to short this. I should have had probably 30 ticks, maybe 40 off of it, but still to the downside. NVIDIA, new low a day.
I'm holding 1 runner.
Oh, nice job. Now, were you shorting it back when you asked me earlier, and did you hang in through all that craziness, or what happened?
I did.
Okay.
I did hang through all of it because I saw a really nice candle that confirmed that everything was okay. So, yeah, but it was scary.
Yeah, just remember you would have been better off to sell it when it was time to get out and re-enter when it was time to go in, right?
Yes.
If you had the ability to do that. That's how I would rather you made that trade instead of holding through chaos, because you had to go all the way back up to new high. There's no reason for that. Dump it when it's no longer valid, add in when it is, and save yourself the headache of I hope and should and all that. Got it?
Yep. Thank you. Yeah,
Yep.
I'm just staring at the 15-minute candle, which
I got you. But I'm letting you know that was a mistake how you traded that, okay?
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, you're absolutely right.
Yep. Always better to pull the Band-Aid, re-enter on a better setup. SPY
Coach,
still...
I'm done.
Go ahead.
Said I'm done for the day. 3.06%.
Nice.
Locking it in. Done. Shutting it down.
Nice. Good job, partner. Proud of you. You're getting better every single day. Man, you have been crushing it. Since you slowed down, followed the rules, go with smaller position sizes, concentrating on the trades versus the profits has really turned it around for you, hasn't it, Blake?
It's life changing. I'm feeling so confident in the small ways. The discipline is here. And I know when I'm not disciplined, I'm not very good at break and hold trades, but I get a little FOMO, so I try it, and it's not working, so I'm not doing them at all.
Yep.
Only double tops and only double bottoms, mainly on pre-market and previous day highs and lows. That's it.
So A+ setups with correct position sizes has completely changed the game for you. I love it. Glad to hear it.
I'm looking for the perfect entries. I still exit a little early, but I'm locking it in.
Yep.
And I'm fine with that.
Good job, partner.
I've had 4 red days since November 1st.
Oh my gosh, are you serious?
Good job, Blake.
Wow. That's really good. Did you guys hear that?
Congratulations, Blake.
Thank you.
December, January. That's 2 months. He's had 4 red days in
That's almost
2
3 months. Yeah.
Yeah, 3 months. In 3 months. Did you guys catch that?
They've been smaller than my green days.
Which is the best, right? That's how you really want it. Yep.
Way to go, Blake. Ever since, we watched you from November, and I remember making a video with you in there with the little avatar and everything. You have been consistent ever since then.
100%.
And I remember you saying you wanted to drop your 9 to 5, and you are working your way towards that, buddy. Keep it up.
Oh, he's crushing it. Absolutely.
Yeah, no, I literally just started a new company. I'm planning to quit here in 3 weeks, building my company around trading, and then pay someone else to operate the company. So
there you go.
But you always say get involved, and I was really shy at first, even though I know you personally. I didn't know what the heck I was doing, so I felt embarrassed to ask questions.
Yep.
And me sitting with a financial planner yesterday, just at breakfast, explaining things, and he's like, I know the 200, that's it. and I was kind of explaining options trading, and I was like, I'll be honest, you just need to join because I can sort of explain it, and got into the Greeks a little, but I just felt so confident, and it's because I talk more, I ask questions.
Yep.
I'm not able to join the Zoom a lot because of work.
Yep.
And I come in 10 to 20 minutes before I do my charting. I'm only putting 4 lines like you teach us. I see where I look left for the last couple of days, look for major levels. I trade for 5 to 35 minutes, and then I shut it down and go on and work. And now I'm starting to build, my website, my company. So I'm distracted, kind of like David goes into one-on-ones.
Yep.
When I overtrade, I lose, and when I lock it in, I'm up 0.5%, and I feel good. I'll just shut it down. That's all I need.
Nice.
While I build slowly. So thank you guys. I look forward to this afternoon. I'll be there. I've got a few friends joining as well.
Awesome, man. We look forward to seeing you there. Congratulations again. Blake getting it done. Only 4 red days out of the last almost 3 months. Incredible.
Did he say his financial advisor only knew about the 200 MA?
He was like, he does the wheel strategy. He does, long-term investments.
Told you. Didn't I tell everybody in the room that's what they do? Didn't I say that?
That's incredible.
That's all they do. They'll just do a covered call twice a year, get you higher than the S&P would have normally got on its own, and call it good and take 1% from all your money.
Right. That's crazy.
That's all I told you, didn't I? That's all they know.
But to hear someone say it so casually like that.
I told you. I freaking told you. Why do you think they don't make any real money? I freaking told you that, didn't I?
I was like, do you know what VWAP is? He was like, yeah. He has a degree in it, and all that.
I told you. I freaking told you. I told you.
Not listening.
It's amazing. Good job. Blake's over here educating the financial wizards on how to make real money.
Well, and my best friend, he works for Edward Jones. I mean, he makes about $1 million a year.
Uh-huh.
He's great at customer service, does such a good job. And we used to talk stocks. Now I'm way beyond his skill level, and I get bored talking to him.
I
And
told
he's like,
and,
I don't know what you're talking about.
and everybody in the room, you do realize the million he makes a year is because he takes 1% of all your portfolios, right?
Yeah, you just had
He's
like
not
1,000
making
clients and-
he's not making a penny off of stock market trading. He's not doing nothing. He's taking 1% of your massive 401ks per year, right?
And he doesn't care if yours goes down because he gets the 1%.
No matter what. Yes.
No matter what.
Right, and you'll stay with him as long as he makes, 2% higher than the S&P does every year. You'll be like, "Oh, I beat the S&P 500," and he'll do 2 covered calls. 2 covered calls, right, to collect premiums, and it will show that you've made more, and he's done for the year, and he'll make $1 million.
It's truly amazing the stuff.
And he gets a lot of time to work on his golf game.
Yep, and he'll
Truly
just try to
amazing the
sell
stuff
you
can
more.
Learn in this room that you cannot learn anywhere else. That's just unbelievable.
Yeah, there's nobody that's doing what we're doing. I don't give a crap who they are. I don't care how many YouTube subscribers they have. I don't care how many people are following them on TikTok. I don't care how many Lambos they're driving. I don't care how many lines that they're charting, and I don't care about any of that. Nobody in the world is or ever has doing what we are doing at American Dream Trading. Period. Point blank.
I told him, I was like, you need to come join us. He was like, why would I come leave this where I make $1 million by not? I mean, he works hard, but he was like, it's guaranteed,
Yep.
And I was like, well, I mean, you worked your ass off for 20 years. Fair enough. But, I'm thinking of all the clients I thought about joining him. And I'm like, I can make that easy. Not easy. It's hard.
Yeah.
But I can make it with you guys.
Now, here's the real
Very
question.
hard.
This is the part that will blow their mind. Did you tell any of them how much money some of our people are making and on a daily consistent basis? Because that's where they're like, are you sure?
Yeah, and it's cool because for me, most of the people here don't know you, Coach. I know you as Chad, from my wife's family that has known you forever. And so I'm like, yeah, so, if I just rolled in on TikTok and I heard this, I don't know if I'd believe
Yeah, some
it.
rando.
And I'm like, I had Thanksgiving with this guy a couple years ago.
Yeah.
You weren't bragging.
Yeah.
Very humble.
Yep.
I didn't understand what the heck you were talking about. And so I was like, he's a real person. We don't hang out with you all the time, but, I've met you 2 or 3 times, and I know my in-laws go over, and, y'all are in close relationship for 30 years.
Oh,
30
huge.
plus years.
Yeah,
And
huge
so I'm like, I
relationship.
trust
They're
this guy.
family. Yeah, they're a huge family to us. Like, they are a part of our smallest circle we have. That is how close they are to us. So.
Yeah. And part of me just wants to succeed so I can be like, Chad's legit,
Yeah.
He trained me and I can brag about it.
Yeah.
And
In fact, didn't
yeah,
I give you a membership at Thanksgiving?
You gave me a lifetime, and then Bryn bought a VIP. I was like, I got the VIP, and you gave me a VIP, and then I bought the gold, and then I bought the diamond personally. I paid $5,000 for it. It's almost paid off. And it's I work at the college. You pay tuition. I have 2.5 degrees. It costs money to learn, and this is practical. You can sit here and learn, and you can lose a lot of money, but you can make money and learn long term. I had a friend, he was like, hey, can you, he was basically like, can you just trade for me? I was like, well, that's illegal.
Yep.
But even if it was legal, I would want you to come in here and learn it yourself, because I can make you a few bucks. Again,
that's right.
Not doing it, it's very legal.
That's right.
But I said, I'd rather you get my affiliate link and pay me that way,
Yep.
and then you learn forever.
That's right. By the way,
So he was like, yeah, he's coming tonight.
Blake's wife is one of our favorite people on earth.
She's sweet.
We were there the whole time forever with her. She is such a sweetheart. We love her so much. Like, you guys have no idea.
So let me understand this. You tolerate Blake because of his wife.
Correct. He's just a part of our family now.
Yeah.
No, but Miranda and the whole family over there, right? Because I don't know if you guys know the tie-in, but we belong to the same church forever. Like my wife and I were both camp counselors at the Christian youth camp. My wife and I were both on the actual board for the church camp. I was a part of the leadership committee at the church we were at. Blake's father-in-law, which is one of my best friends on planet Earth, was my son's youth minister his whole life growing up. Like, right? Every year we'd have a big, blowout camp thing where all the kids from our church, because all the churches use this camp, right? But our church would go out every year. Me and my wife were the counselors. My wife was counselors with his wife. Like, we've done all the things forever. Let's put it this way. When my son had to go through all of his stuff, and you guys know what my son does without me saying it, they flew to go meet Blake's in-laws to verify all of my son's information for his job. They went and personally saw him.
That's crazy.
Yep.
Wow.
Yep. The Men in Black had to go visit the youth minister for my son for clearance. Because that's how small our circle is, right? So, anyways, pretty awesome. So, yeah,
but thank you.
long,
Thank you,
long,
Coach.
long, long, long history with the family. But, yeah, so that's why I'm saying you guys know it's legit. There's real people in here. By the way, I've got ministers. I've got all sorts of people in here that know me from real walks of life. And I know you guys are like, yeah, but you swear like a truck driver. Well, they know they know. They know I come from a rougher cut, but they also know
God
that.
knows your heart.
Yes, they also know though, right, that I am a 1,000,000% faith follower. So I might just be a little rough around the edges, but I'm the guy you want if we had to get into some sort of religious battle. You know what I'm saying?
You're the guy cut from the edge of the cloth, not the middle.
That's right. That's right.
Tennessee.
Sorry, my microphone's acting stupid over here. But anyways, it's 10:14. Good job. Keep it up, everybody. We're rocking and rolling. Don't forget, sign up, free workshop. I can't stress enough. All day today. All day today. We need to be announcing 24/7 workshop, 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 workshop. This is your last chance. Get in there. 4 p.m. Eastern. Go to the website. Click the only button you see. American Dream Trading. Ding. If you need help, if you're on the Discord, like I haven't signed up, I don't know what I'm doing. Ask. Go on the Discord. I need help. Okay. There you go. Be an adult. Ask for help, right? Okay, great. Thank you. It's going to be amazing. I've got the whole team fired up. We don't know exactly how long it's going to go. Typically, I will tell them. Mark says, is there a workshop today? Typically, I will tell my team, do not let it go over 60 minutes. But today, I'm sure we will go over 60 minutes because at the end, I'll answer any questions and help you guys out. We will have a full help desk standing by. Remember, we will never direct message you or send you a friend request anywhere ever. It is only through our help desk ticket system. We will help you out. So if you need help, click the button, raise the hand. We got you. I will have 20 people tonight standing by to assist the 1,000 people we will have in the workshop class. We'll see you all there. We will see you all there. How we doing? Has anybody made any money yet today? Let the world know if you have.
Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah.
It's a good birthday, Coach.
155.
I didn't even see red today.
Happy birthday, JP. I heard you sneak in the back door over there.
Happy birthday, JP.
Do you guys like how we've been doing this so long? I know who you are just by the sound of your voice. That's how long and how much time we've all spent together. Isn't that funny?
It's impressive, actually.
Thank you, Coach.
Yeah. We've all been in here. Thank you, Tony. I appreciate you. Love your face too. Did you hear Tony sneak in?
Mm-hmm.
Yep. Hey,
Yep.
Tony, that's how I get to know most of them, Coach.
Hey, girl. Hey.
Hey, girl. Hey.
That's awesome. Love it. All right, Spy, listen, we're on two. This is a consolidation area. We are looking for this break of 688 or below 687. Now, do you guys remember hearing Palm when he called that out? He said he had 687 as that gold level. Did everybody catch that when that knife was dropping? And Palm said, watch for that 687. Everybody heard that, right?
Yes.
Yep.
Yep.
Good call out on that, Palm, by the way. You probably saved a ton of people who are just like, I'm going to short it forever. And then it bounced back up. And then like, oh my gosh. And now it's going back down like, wee. Emotions.
Whee!
Yeah, wee. That's awesome. Jeff, you got your hand up. Go ahead.
Yes, sir. Quick question. Is there any way that they could post how many spots are available?
I can tell you right now, we have we can see the running count. Bruno, do we know?
Well, the reason I'm asking is closer to time is I'm going to be in and out, and I don't want to take up someone's spot.
Sign it up. Nope. Do it anyways. We're going to be okay, because if it does do that, it's a physical limitation. When it hits 1,000, it literally just won't let any more people in. So it'd be better if you signed up, because what's going to listen, if I had 2,000 people signed up, the first 1,000 people that show up into the Zoom, it would just say I'm at maximum capacity. So
okay.
And we're just trying to make sure we don't oversign, which we haven't, but it will. And again, it's not me putting a limit on it. Zoom has what's called a large room. It's like its conference room. And because we're not doing what's normally like the stage where it's one person talks and nobody can do anything else, it only lets me do 1,000. So that's just a limitation of Zoom. That's all.
Okay. I just don't want to tie up a spot for someone.
And it won't. Yep, it won't.
Okay.
Appreciate you thinking about that, though. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
All right. 1018.
Coach?
Yes.
Because of your training, I started a small account with $999, inspired by what I've heard from the other gentleman that went from 700 to 20 million. Anyway, taking down the risk, and now I'm doing options for the first time this year. Taking down the risk and knowing that it's $1,000 and being able to only make about 4 trades a day, 3 trades a day, has completely changed the way I do it. And it's thanks to you, thanks to everything you've taught us. And today, I started December 30th. Today I'm at, that turned into $2,784. So from $999, just a little under $1,000, I have almost tripled it.
Oh my gosh! In a
Position
month.
Sizes, just a few trades. Because I don't have the buying power. I can only do just a few trades, but just from $9.99 to $27.84 and 87 cents right now.
That's incredible.
Congratulations.
So that's 280% in less than 30 days.
Yep. And I
Good
know
job.
that my risk for the year is $999. That's it.
Correct.
That's why I put it in there. I put it in there the last day of the calendar year, and that's my piggy bank for the year.
Good job. Good job.
Good job, Bear Cub.
Way to go,
And
Bear Cub.
I'll show you guys. I'll show screenshots because I
Yes.
every single day. I have
Yes, I
screenshots
love
every single
that.
day. You'll see my bad days. I've actually only had a couple bad days, but they've been really bad. And so
We'll fix
that's
that.
why
That's the
I-
part you need to work on then. You already know it, right?
Yes, sir.
Yep. You already know it, right? You don't want your bad days to be worse than your good days. That makes sense? Good job. Bear Cub, you're
Yes, sir.
crushing it. Keep it up, partner. I'm so proud of you, man. Everybody in the room. Oh, we broke the 688. Good job, though, Bear Cub.
Thank you.
Good job. Let's get that money train going for Bear Cub and everybody else who's turning the corner and getting it done right now.
All aboard!
All aboard! Don, you like that?
That was perfect.
That was a nice fade out. I like that.
Thank you. Appreciate you. I know Don could appreciate it because I kept that note steady and strong. Steady.
And faded it out. Changed the damn volume and still kept it.
Yeah. Very nice. Good job. 688 is what we were looking for. 688 break and hold of 688. Now listen, Do not long that until, look at this candle, right? You see how it stalled out? So when we were looking for a break and hold above 688, this candle must break above 688.25 before I will long it. Does everybody see that on my screen?
Yep,
Yes.
and then you got
Yes.
VWAP right there too.
Yep, but I'll trade it up to VWAP. But I want you to look at it, right? And this is the best way that I've been telling people about how that break and hold works. Let me mute all the mics. I got it. Moderators, don't worry. The way that I've been trying to train everybody so that you get a good idea in your head is you've got the break candle. That's anywhere. It doesn't matter. Wick, body, doesn't matter. If it's touching the key area, that's one. So the break, and you must have the next candle above all of it, which would be hold. So break and hold. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
Yep.
Yes.
Okay, great.
Hey, coach, is that looking like a cup and handle for me?
For SPY? For any talk to me?
Yes, for SPY.
It's coming up on a cup, yes.
We would need a pullback here, yeah, for the handle.
Correct.
I learned that from you guys.
Oh, nice.
Which we might get because it's on VWAP.
Just took all my money right there. Bang, bang, bang. All the way up back up to VWAP. Did you guys see how I took the break and hold? I entered the trade, scalped it up to VWAP, collected my money because I know that's a major area. Got in, got out, made a quick 50 bucks. You guys saw that, right? In under 10 seconds, yes?
Yes, sir.
Yep.
Yes, sir.
Good job. Holy crap. Everybody right now, go to the Traders Lounge. Everybody right now, look at that. Wow, Blake. Blake just posted proof of only those 4 red days in 3 months. I want everybody to look at that. That is impressive.
Thank you.
Well, all those haters that want to see the P&L, here you go. Take a look.
Yeah, it's live. It's right there. Yep.
I didn't trade every day in December just because of travel and everything.
That's incredible, partner.
I just shorted that mess.
Oh, nice job. Yeah, off of VWAP. Good job, Palm.
That's amazing, Blake.
So, Blake, when you going to come on the aftermarket and talk about this journey, dude?
It's beautiful.
We need it.
I can do it. I can try to do it soon. The problem is I'm home with my little boys at that time. What time do you do?
I do from 4, anywhere between 4 and 6. You can come on. Bring them.
There you go.
All right, we'll talk.
Open invite. There you
Dawn
go.
at AmericanDreamTrading.com. Dawn at AmericanDreamTrading.com. Email me.
Okay. Gotcha.
Just took it on the gold line.
Yep, me too.
Close to it.
I just took mine too.
8% on the count, coach,
That's
on that little pull.
That's awesome.
That was a 40% pull.
Yeah, it was. Palm over here just
I was going to get it on VWAP, but I didn't. And as soon as it started pulling, I got it, but I still got 8%. That's
That's
for a little
beautiful.
count, you know.
Here, watch this, everybody. Let me see if I can not blow up the system. Hold on a minute. I will actually, everybody that's watching for free, hold on, give me just one moment. Let me see if I can grab this window without blowing it up. There we go. Okay. Everybody right here, you should be able to see this on your screen. Everybody that's watching for free. Check it out. That is, the proof is in the pudding right there. Can everybody see that on the live accounts? If you can, type in a yes. There you go. Proof's in the pudding. Real live cash account right there. Does everybody see it? Okay, great. Everybody in my Zoom, I'm going to do the same thing. We'll just do it for everybody. Hold on a minute. There you go. Does everybody in Zoom see it?
Whoop, whoop.
Yeah, we can see it.
Yes.
Is that glorious or what?
Awesome job.
Awesome.
Those are big numbers too, by the way. When he's saying 3%, are you guys seeing how much money he's pulling in off of every single day?
Yeah, you know what I was just about to say? The numbers are getting bigger.
Yeah, those are huge. I
As-
mean,
as he
that's
goes.
yeah, that's more than most people
They
make on
started
their
small.
9-to-5 jobs, right?
Like
More
you've
than I
always
make.
You
said,
look
Coach,
early
the
on,
power
the
of
numbers are
compounding.
small.
I mean, some of those weeks are $1,000. That's incredible. So good job. That's nice. I like seeing that. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen. Proof's in the pudding. Good job.
It's a shame that he's starting a business and he's going to retire in a couple of weeks from it.
Correct. And then he'll be able to use his day trading, right, to fund the normal day-to-day livelihood while starting his new business, right?
That's right.
Yeah. Good luck on your new business, Blake.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Thank you.
Yeah, you'll have to send me the info and see if we can send some business your way and start it up the right way, right?
Yeah, thanks.
It's awesome.
Well, we know what Blake's exit plan is when he sells the new business he's building. Day trading.
Yep, exactly. Good job. Now listen, any of you that are having an amazing day today, which I hope most of you are, remember, always diversify your accounts. You don't need to leave this all in your day trading account, right? You can go do something else, pay down some debt, pay ahead, go buy some extra groceries, pay ahead on that car insurance, go get those new tires for your vehicle you've been waiting for, go get extra groceries, like whatever it is to you, right? Go set some aside in your emergency fund. You should always have a minimum of 6 to 12 months of what you would normally earn in your emergency fund. And don't freak out if that's not you. 97% of all Americans don't have more than, I believe it's $1,700 in any account anywhere. Might be 78. 78% of all Americans do not have more than $1,700 on hand at any point of their lives. So these are the things you need to be working on. If you get an emergency, what are you going to do? I need you guys thinking big picture from now on, right? You are working with millionaires, multi-millionaires now, trying to help you change your mindset. Where else do you get to rub elbows with people that are making tens of millions of dollars? Nowhere. I can tell you that right now. Nowhere. You are here at American Dream Trading. This is why we talk about this stuff every day. I want you to change your mindset. Don't they always say surround yourself with like-minded people that you want to be more like? Anybody else want to make tens of millions of dollars in the stock market? Obviously, results not guaranteed, but shouldn't you be around the most successful traders in the world? Doesn't that help you to be around the people doing it? Yes, it does. There's that VWAP pullback again, Palm. That was nice. I missed it. I'm talking, but anyways.
Yeah, I snagged a little bit of it.
Nice. Yeah, it's starting to get a little bit more coiled to the upside now, though, so it's a little bit more scary, right? So
yeah, just trying to tuck itself along VWAP.
Yep, it is. It's trying to make a move now, trying to bust through that. Starting to gain momentum to the upside is what that's doing, ladies and gentlemen. So please be careful now around VWAP, where once you were shorting it constantly, it's starting to get pressure to the upside. Can everybody see it? See how it's forming, right? See how it's forming that boot I talk about? Does everybody see the boot forming?
Yes.
Yep. Okay, good. It's trying to give everybody that's shorting it the boot, right?
And that wasn't much of a pullback.
No, it dropped to the 21 and shot right back up to VWAP again, right? Yep. Fast.
Yes, and
Yep.
if you're a fan and follower of Coach's 2-minute EWO, we are getting close to where it wants to turn from red to green, but I would not enter until it broke past the 200 at 689.12.
Oh, nice. Thank you. Good call on that. Yeah, and if you guys are waiting, let's put it this way too. If you guys are waiting between this VWAP and 200, just wait for it to break the 200 before you even consider going long with that, right? Because what you don't want to do, we don't want to long it above VWAP for it to only, I mean, it's only 20 cents, 20, 30 cents, right? to get up to, I mean, technically it's 50 cents, but it's 50 cents from VWAP to the 200. So by the time you wait for a break and hold candle above VWAP, and you're like, now I'm going to go long. Well, now you got another heavy duty level of resistance, right, gang? So if you're not in a long off the bottom, down there, I don't want to be long until I break and hold above the 200. Does that make sense, gang?
Totally concur.
Yep. Yeah, it's too risky. Not enough meat on the bone, right? Okay, great. Let me flip the big screen. We're talking about SPY, Ziggy. Talking about SPY off the 1 minute. Which it doesn't matter. You can put it in any time frame you want for what we're talking about. I don't care what time frame you put it in. It's going to be identical, so it doesn't really matter. He asked what ticker and time frame. That's why I'm explaining all that, in case you guys are wondering. Thank you, Arthur. I see you just signed up for the workshop class. MLZ, Jeff, John, another John, one Jon, one John, Jay, Lyndon, Price, Clarence, Time Pilot. Okay. Bywer. Okay. Josh. Adur. Rory. Chase. Charles. Raul. Brad. Mark. And we're back to the other ones. Those are all who just signed up for the workshop class. See you tonight, 4 o'clock Eastern. Nice, nice. Filling up fast. In case you guys didn't know, too, last chance for you to get a Diamond Lifetime memberships, 5K. All Diamond memberships will be gone. In case you guys don't know what a Diamond membership is, it gives you access to all of our membership services today and any I create in the futures. American Dream Trading Academy. Right. Only thing it excludes obviously are like one-on-ones with me or David or somebody else. Also doesn't include mentorships, which is just our one-on-one, but a long period of time. You do get the weekly mentorship program as long as we have that. Obviously, you guys still have that, but it's not the one-on-one style with me, right? But Diamond members will get the American Dream Trading Academy as part of your plan. That'll save you, I don't know, $15,000, $20,000. That's nice.
Thanks, Coach.
You got it.
AMD's on its first 2 minutes of the upside.
Thank you.
SPY is now changed to green on the 2-minute EWO.
Yep. Second 2-minute EWO on SPY. Second indicator, 2-minute EWO on SPY.
The Qs are at VWAP.
Yep. Wait for the break. Well. Wait for the break and hold of the 200 before you get into that 2-minute EWO. Do you hear the sound of my voice on SPY?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. We never long on a resistance area. I don't care if it's a boot. I don't care what it is. We must wait. Break and hold. Get out of that spot. And then and only then will I consider it. But we do not ever do that early. This isn't a scalp, right? Those of you that are scalping, it's different. You guys can scalp. I wouldn't recommend it until it breaks and holds above it. But if you scalped it, you could just have a really tight spot. Same with a scalp. If I was scalping this, wait for the break and hold of the 200, which is at 688.69. Thank you. My wife's crazy. 688.69. Wait for the break and hold. Now notice the first candle was the break just now. See it? That was the break. No hold candle yet, right? Okay, great. Notice I'm going to set up for it, though. You see me setting up for it, though, don't you? You see me setting up right now for it, though, don't you? You see me setting it up right now, though, for it, though, don't you? Yeah.
Are you setting up for it, Coach?
Yeah, I am. I am. I'm over here telling you guys all how to make millions of dollars, and I'm like, well, maybe I should make a couple bucks too at the same time. Why not, right? Shoot. Waiting for the break and hold. Did not happen. Look, did not happen, and there's your resistance. That's why right there. Got it? Now you all understand, yes? Look at that.
Yes, Coach.
Sir.
You can count on that
Yep, and now
pullback.
VWAP is going to be your support
up to
here.
200 on a regular basis, so I shorted it right there.
100%.
Scalp.
100%,
But
Palm.
now I got to watch for that upside momentum to bring it back.
Yep, correct.
Like candle by candle. Just
Yep.
nail
Yep. Yep. Great trade, though. Remember, everybody, the two highest levels of support and or resistance in order of importance. VWAP is the number one above any and everything else on your screen. Number two above anything else on your screen is the 200. That is the second strongest one. We use both of those as a key level of support and or resistance. They are the two strongest in the business, period, point blank. You don't hear me talking about it's a 58 EMA. It's a 209 MA. No. What did I say? Everything we use is for a reason because all the other actual professional traders are using them. And we want to have the psychology of what everyone uses so we know when they want to do what. That's why we use the 200 MA. That's why I always crack up when I see people, I'm going off the 89 EMA. That's going to, nobody's using that, dude. Nobody cares. It's worthless, right? I'm using the 106.3 gamma ray alpha candle level. Yeah, you knock yourself out, little kid. Go sell that Discord course. Go sell that course. Brownie, you got your hand up. Go ahead.
Yeah, Coach. My head's like a toss salad right now. So the break and hold, like we're going back up to the 200
Yep.
right now on this candle.
Yep.
So it's either the wick, is it the wick?
Nope, none of it. Nope, none of it. So no matter what this candle does is the break. No matter what this candle does and no matter where this candle ends and no matter if it's a wick or a body, it doesn't matter. It touched the 200. This is the break. You must receive a hold, break and hold above it, right?
Okay. So
If
the
you
break
get
it now-
the next candle, watch. If the next candle goes now above the wick of this candle, which means new candle high, that's the hold. Get it? Otherwise, it's all trash.
Okay, I get that. Thank you.
It's two candles.
That was-
Two. Break. Hold. Get it?
Yep.
And there it goes
hold's gotta
again.
be above the break.
Correct. No matter how high it goes, no matter what it does, you're looking for the second candle to be above whatever the hell that one did as it broke through the major level. Make sense?
Yep. So now that we're going down past the 200.
Just leave it alone.
yeah,
Yep.
Leave it alone. Okay.
Yep. Leave it alone. Because you don't want to short it now. The VWAP is sitting right there. All the strength is to the upside.
Yep.
We're literally waiting. I don't want to short into strength and an upside momentum. I am waiting for the break and hold of, now look at it. 689.12 is my new break and hold. It's no longer that 200. Why? Because it keeps showing me where it is saying resistance is, right?
Right.
So now it's no longer the 200. I know around the 200, but I know definitively now 689.12 must break and hold above that area. Make sense?
Yes, it does.
Yep.
Thank you.
Yep. Other than that, this is all doggy doo-doo. This is that fake doggy doo-doo you can buy from China that'll roll into your house.
Okay. And then if we, hypothetically, if we were going to short at some point, it would have to go below VWAP.
Correct. If I was going to look at shorting it, I wouldn't be at VWAP at this point. it would be underneath somewhere around 688, which was our key critical area from before. Remember when Palm called that area out?
Yep.
So, well, he called 687, but 688 was the first one, but I would take 688 to 687. That's my window I'd be looking for, right?
Okay.
Because then I've broken past everything to the downside and I've gotten the hell away from all of this traffic. Make sense?
Yes. Yep. Not that I'm looking at short. And I'm
Yeah.
in my mind. I'm
Yep.
playing it up and
Nope. I got you. I mean, these are the things that we look at as traders, right? Trust me. Palm's over there chomping at the bit to hammer one of these things. So right here.
Thanks, Coach.
You got it, partner. Right here, watch. I'm looking for 689.12, and we're getting more and more and more and more and more and more buying pressure up. Right here. There's your break. See it? That's break.
Yep.
Now I'm looking for hold. 8 seconds. I want to see a new candle high, and I'm in it. 3, 2, 1. Give me a new candle high. I'll still have a little bit of risk, but my stop's going to literally be just below that 9. Okay, it still hasn't done it. Notice it still isn't higher. Still not higher. See it? Still not higher. Needs to go higher.
And I got a
Listen to the
gold
sound of
line
your
at
voice, baby.
689.31, Coach.
Thank you. Still not higher. Still not higher. It's just sitting here. This is nothing. This is not hold yet. This is trash. 20 seconds left on the candle. There it goes. I'm in it. I'm moving my stop. Tighter stop. There it goes. Trade is green. Get up there. Go, baby, go. I'm going to move my stop just below this 9. Give it a little bit of wiggle room. Remember, it's still got a little bit of risk right here. But what we're looking for is a volume pop. People will go, ooh, are we there? And if not, I got my stop just below the 9, right? Notice we're staying tall now on this one. Is everybody catching how it's staying up? That's what we want to see.
In it, Coach. Small position.
Yeah, small position with my stop below the 9. I'm allowing it to work a little bit right here. Boom, I'm green. Come on, baby, go.
Coach, my Viagra indicator showed that it was staying up.
You guys hear that? Not sponsored. There it goes. Come on, a little more. Come on, get up there. Come on. What I'm looking for is volume, right? I want to see it pop and it'll go boom when the buyers step in because they're like, we've cleared the area, sir. Where a go? You got to go, no go. Where a go? Go, 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 right? I've got my stop below the 9, which is also squeezing on the 21. See it right here? Clear for takeoff. Green again. Come on, baby. Stay up there. It's trying.
Yeah, that's going to be a tough spot, though,
Yep.
Coach.
Yeah. We're all right. We're everything. Yeah, it's fine. We trade the trades, right? I know it's got that area at 689.30. That's okay. Come on, get up there. Yeah, get up there. Come on, we want to see this. Get up there. Still like it. I still got my stop in place. Still upside momentum. Still where I want to be. I've got my stop. That makes new candle high I can add. Come on, baby. Go. Still in a good positive trade. Come on, let's see volume step in. Come on, buyers. Where the hell are you at? I mean, I'm green. I could take money. I see way more dollar signs here. There we go. Protecting my trade. Now. There we go. There's that volume. Boom! Shakalaka! Yes. Yes.
Amazing, Coach. Amazing.
Woo!
I did a break and hold correctly. Thank you, Coach.
Yes. That's how we do it.
50 more bucks.
Thank you.
Hell yeah.
But that's what it looks like. That's what it looks like. And there's still, trust me, there's still plenty of room to go. I'm going to take off though. That's the only reason I'm dipping out of here. But So did everybody understand exactly how that break and hold works, exactly how I traded it, exactly where my risk management was, why I was doing what I was doing, when I was doing it, turned into a beautiful, successful trade. It's still to the upside, by the way, as long as now you're sitting above this 9. We did exactly what we were supposed to do when we did it.
Yeah, it was beautiful.
Right?
To the sound of your voice.
And there,
awesome.
right? And there, look at it. Look at it. It's glorious. Okay. All right.
Is this the stuff you're going to be teaching today in the workshop, Coach?
Yeah,
for all
we'll
the
be.
new guys?
Yes, it is. We'll be out there at 4 p.m. Eastern. Don't forget, go to our website, American Dream Trading. Click the only button you see. Join the free workshop class. Find out how we have made hundreds of millions of dollars for our community. We are the only trading community in the world that has ever done that before. Come and see why we are different. Come and see what 34 years of trading experience and trained over 1 million people looks like. Obviously, results not guaranteed. Trading is very risky. 90 to 95% of all day traders will lose their money, right? You guys will do silly stuff. You won't follow any rules. I'll train you and you'll still do like, well, I don't know what I'm going to, all the things could still happen. We cannot promise or guarantee results, but I can show you, right, what it looks like and how to do it. Come on over and join us. I can train anybody, by the way. I don't care what you do for a living. I don't care. If you can click a mouse, I got you. Hell, sometimes you don't even have to do that. You can trade off your phone. All right, love your faces. I'm going to take off. I want to thank all my moderators. Thank you to Bruno, Don Miranda, Unhappily Housewife, F2, David, Mark, Palm Coast, Richard, Doug, Buckle, Chris, Eminem, Ralph, James, and Diesel, Dan. Thank you to all my military family. Anybody that's serving or that has served, thank you so much. We honor and respect you every single day. Thank you for all of my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and all my truck drivers around the world. Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate you. Everybody, God bless. I'm going to see you all here real quick. Get a little Jesus in you. Get a little Jesus in you. I'm going to see all of you tonight, 4 p.m. Eastern. I'm going to be ready to rock and roll. I got to go get on all my Elvis gear. Oh, I'm going to see you guys tonight. It's going to be exciting. It's going to be like a live concert. Moderators, you better be ready to bring it. It's going to get crazy.